How to tell the difference between male and female quail. Let's get into it. As you can see here, this is our female quail. She has not much of a pattern and no stripes on her neck. As you can see here, she has no pattern on her chest because females do often have only stripes or dots, not such a big pattern like a male. Here is a comparison photo of a male quail and a female quail. On the left here is a male quail and on the right here is a female quail. Can you see the difference? This is our male quail. He is not yet matured. As you can see here, he has stripes on his neck, 2 bars going around his neck. He has a pattern on his chest, much more broader and visible to see. It usually occurs that male birds are more prettier than females. It is used to attract a female. Males do often crow. Females do as well, but they do it much more softer, and quails do it much more louder. Our quail has not yet matured here. Males that are matured can have white foamy stuff on their vent, which indicates that it is a male. This is our female. Females weigh more than male, and males weigh less. We hope this video helped you guys out to tell the difference. Stay tuned for the end.